Welcome back to our mini-series for customer data platforms. In this episode, we'll be discussing the implementation and best practices for using CDPs. Implementing a CDP can be a complex process, but with the right approach and planning, it can be done successfully. One of the key steps of implementing a CDP is to determine what data needs to be collected, integrated, and managed. This should be based on their business goals and objectives. I can work that out with you if you need to. Reach out to VUN. It's also important to ensure that the CDP you choose is fully integrated with your existing systems and processes. This can be done with APIs or pre-built connectors, which is a common foundation in a CDP. When using CDPs, it's also important to implement best practices such as regularly cleaning and updating your data, ensuring data security and compliance, and regularly reviewing and analyzing data to gain insights and governance. In the final episode, we'll be discussing the future of customer data platforms and how they will continue to shape the retail and e-commerce industries. So please stay tuned.